Now let's look at the page editing functions. First, we navigate to the page that we want to edit, and then we click on the Edit Page button. Now we have a Save and Cancel button, along with 4 menus. Below that, we have some standard functions for word processing. On the left, we have an undo, a redo, a menu for fonts, a menu for font size, a bold button, italics, underline, text color, text background color, a button for creating links, a numbered list, a bulleted list, an increase indent button, a decrease indent button, text align left, center and right, a clear formatting button, and an HTML code writing button. The layout menu gives us the option of having a 1-column layout or a 2-column layout. This can help to divide your website up if it looks too sparse. The next menu allows you to create a table on your web page for organizing data. The first option lets you choose how many boxes you want in your table. The rest of the options will let you manipulate your table. We'll just choose Undo to take the table away again. Next, we have the Format menu. This just gives you some options to create headers and a few other things. The last menu is Insert, and this gives us a lot of options for things to add to our page. This menu gives us access to inserting images, links, table of contents, horizontal lines, along with a bunch of Google's other online applications, and on the bottom we have something called Gadgets. To make a website look nice, we'll want to be able to add images, so let's look at that. Before we dive into it, I'm going to paste in some text here so that you can see the full effect of adding an image to the page. When we click on Insert Image, we have the option to upload an image from our computer, and below that we have the option to link to a picture that is already on the internet. I upload images more often than I link to images on the internet. So let's look at that. We'll click on Choose File and select our image. Now we wait for the image to upload. It is important to note that the image that you choose to upload should be close to the size that you want it to appear on your website. If you upload a large image and then scale it down within your web page, a computer that visits your site will still have to load the full-sized image, making your web page load much slower. Now that we have our image uploaded, we can click on it and edit how we want our image to appear. We have a left, center, and right option for positioning our image, as well as a small, medium, large, and original option for choosing the size of the image. There is also a wrap function that we can turn on and off. This button allows the text on the page to wrap around the picture instead of being cut off above and below the picture. Now let's turn one of these lines of text into a link. First, we highlight the text that we want to be the link, then we select Link. The window that pops up shows us 2 options. First, it shows all of our existing pages on our website that we can link to easily just by clicking on one of the pages. Also on the bottom, we have a button to create a new page if the page that we're going to link to hasn't been created yet. The next option is to enter an address of a site somewhere else on the internet. This is easy enough to do. We just navigate to the page that we want, select the text of the address, choose Edit, then Copy. Now we just get back to our window and click on the text box and choose Edit, Paste. This pastes our address into the box, and now when we click OK, we get a link. This all should get you started on building your own portfolio website. Have a wonderful time creating your portfolio website, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.